Welcome to Humanity and End Time events. These are the real footage of disasters happening around the world fulfilling end time Bible prophecy. Watch till the end.
In November 2023, a study of American and Spanish scientists was released, revealing the discovery of 3 gigantic lava flows on the floor of Mediterranean Sea originating from supervolcano eruptions. The scientists concluded that these 3 catastrophic events occurred in Europe with a cycle of 10 to 15,000 years.
That gives rise to the cyclical supervolcano cycle. And you can see it like clockwork. Exactly a half a great year ago, 12,500 years, Campi Pellegari off the coast of Italy. Supervolcano, boom. Exactly 1 year, one great year ago, 24 to 25,000 years ago,